Hello and welcome to our channel Global Health Wave, where we tackle important global health issues. In today's video, we will be discussing the top 5 result-driven exercises that you can do at home to overcome obesity and lose weight. So, let's get started. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks is a full-body exercise that is easy to do and requires no equipment. It helps in burning calories, strengthening your heart, and improving your overall health. To do jumping jacks, start by standing straight with your feet together and arms by your sides. Jump and spread your legs while raising your arms overhead. Then, jump back to the starting position. Repeat this for 30 seconds to a minute. Squats. Squats are an excellent exercise to strengthen your legs, glutes, and core muscles. They also help in burning calories and increasing your metabolism. To do squats, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, keep your back straight, and lower your body as if you are sitting on a chair. Hold this position for a few seconds and then stand back up. Repeat this for 10 to 15 times. Lunges. Lunges help in improving your balance and stability while toning your legs, glutes, and thighs. To do lunges, stand with your feet hip-width apart, take a big step forward with your right foot, and lower your body until your right thigh is parallel to the floor. Then, push back up and repeat the same with the left foot. Do this for 10 to 15 times on each leg. Push-ups. Push-ups are a classic exercise that helps in strengthening your chest, shoulders, arms, and core muscles. They also help in burning calories and increasing your metabolism. To do push-ups, start in a plank position with your hands and feet on the floor. Lower your body until your chest touches the floor, and then push back up. Repeat this for 10 to 15 times. Crunches. Crunches help in toning your abdominal muscles and improving your core strength. To do crunches, lie down on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head, lift your shoulders off the floor, and crunch your abs. Hold this position for a few seconds and then lower your body back down. Repeat this for 10 to 15 times. So, there you have it, the top 5 result-driven and simple exercises that you can do at home to overcome obesity and lose weight. Remember to start slow and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Also, make sure to maintain a healthy diet and lifestyle to see the best results. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.